Okay, here's a little video on forming and solving equations. So write the following as an equation and then solve. So to 5 times a certain number, I add 3 and the answer is 33. What's the number? So we always start off with let x be the number. So 5 times this number is 5x and I add 3 is plus 3. And then the answer is 33. So I get 5x plus 3 is equal to 33. Now we need to solve that equation, and we can solve it by saying we have 5x plus 3 is equal to 33. We can subtract 3 from both sides like this. Once you get used to it, you don't need to do this stuff in red. You can go straight down to this line here, 5x is equal to 30. Because we know when we subtract 3 from here, we're going to get 3 minus 3 is 0. So that's gone. And then we're going to get 33, take away 3 is 30. So this line here is optional. This line here isn't, and this line isn't. So 5x equal to 30, x equals 6. Let's have a look at another example. If I multiply a certain number by 4 and then I subtract 5, the result is the same as adding 1 to 3 times the number. So, okay. If I multiply a certain number by 4, well, we let x be the number, so 4x is 4 times that number, isn't it? I multiply it by 4, that's 4x, and then I subtract 5. Okay, let's do that. Minus 5. Well, then the result is the same. Okay, so that means I'm going to get an equals. The result is the same as adding 1 to 3 times the number. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 to 3 times the number. So 3 times the number, it's 3 times x plus 1. I would have been happy if you'd said 1 plus 3x. That makes no difference. That would be okay too, you know. So we now we have an equation, 4x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 1. I want to get all the x's onto one side, so I'm going to get 4x minus 5 minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 1 minus 3x. So obviously, let me see, I'm now going to get 4x minus 3x is equal to 1x minus 5 is equal to 3x, take away 3x, they cancel each other out, so I'm just left with equal to 1 over here. Sorry, 1, my pen's not working. X minus 5 is equal to 1. And then I add 5 to both sides. I'm going to x is equal to 6. And that's the solution. If I substitute that back into here, I'm going to get 4 6s are 24, minus 5 is 19, 3 6s are 18, plus 1 is 19. So it solves. You solved that particular equation. I hope that helps. Okay, the last one. One number is 4 greater than another number. If twice the smaller number is added to the larger one, the result is 34. What are the two numbers? So we let x equal to the small number. Let x be, instead of saying x equals, I'm going to write x be the small number. So that means x plus 4 is a bigger number. And if twice the smaller number, that's 2x, is added to the bigger number, which is x plus 4, the result is equal to 34. So if twice the small number is added to the bigger number, the result is 34. Now so we're going to get 3x plus 4 is equal to 34. Subtract 4 from both sides. We're going to get 3x is equal to 30. And x is equal to 10. And you've solved another question. So hopefully they'll help. And good luck with the homework, and I'll talk to you Monday.